Hi, Michael the Mercedes guy here with another tip. Sharpening your knife. Now, of course, everybody has what they figure is the best, so this is what I have been taught by my dad. The stone, you don't need to use messy oil, you can use water, okay? Now, the first step is to grind that edge down a little bit. So we're going to use a motion back and forth. Back and forth to grind it down. Now, the final sharpening, you do only one direction, like this. What that does is make the edge of that knife a miniature little teeny sawtooth, all pointing the direction that you want, this way. If you bring it back this way, you're going to break off those little teeth, miniature. You need a magnifier to actually see them, but they're there. So the final sharpening is one direction on each side. And that way your knife will be as sharp as possible.